Top 5 Best Mechanical Keyboard for Gaming 2026. Discover the best products for your lifestyle. We've curated the top selections just for you. Number 5. Redragon K668 RGB Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Dominate every game with the Redragon K668 RGB Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, engineered for precision and built to outperform competitors. Featuring tactile mechanical switches, customizable RGB backlighting, and a durable, sleek design, it delivers faster response times and superior comfort compared to similar keyboards. Navigate effortlessly between settings using your keyboard's up or down arrows for quick adjustments mid-game. Whether you're upgrading from basic models or switching brands, the K668 stands out in performance and value. Ideal for gamers in beauty and personal care, industrial and scientific, or tools and home improvement sectors who demand reliability. Experience seamless control, vibrant lighting, and robust construction, all in one powerful package. Elevate your setup today. Number 4. Redragon K580 VATA RGB Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Dominate your game with the Redragon K580 VATA RGB Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, engineered for precision and built to outperform the competition. Featuring tactile mechanical switches, customizable RGB backlighting, and a durable aluminum frame, it delivers faster response times and superior durability compared to similar keyboards. Navigate effortlessly between settings using your keyboard's up or down arrows for quick adjustments mid-game. Designed for gamers who demand reliability and style, the K580 blends performance with sleek aesthetics. Whether you're upgrading your setup or entering the mechanical keyboard world, this is your ultimate command center. Select your department: beauty and personal care, industrial and scientific, or tools and home improvement, and experience gaming excellence like never before. Number 3. GravaStar Mercury K1 Pro CyberFlare Wireless Gaming Keyboard. Step into the future of gaming with the GravaStar Mercury K1 Pro CyberFlare Wireless Gaming Keyboard, engineered for precision, style, and performance. Unlike standard keyboards, the K1 Pro features ultra-responsive mechanical switches, customizable RGB lighting, and a sleek, cyberpunk-inspired design that stands out. With seamless wireless connectivity and long-lasting battery life, it outperforms similar gaming peripherals in speed and reliability. Navigate effortlessly using your keyboard's up or down arrows to explore features. Whether you're in beauty and personal care, industrial and scientific, or tools and home improvement, this keyboard redefines control. Built for gamers who demand excellence, the Mercury K1 Pro delivers unmatched tactile feedback and durability, your ultimate command center for victory. Number 2. SteelSeries Apex 5 Hybrid Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Experience the best of both worlds with the SteelSeries Apex 5 Hybrid Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Combining the tactile feel of mechanical switches with the durability of membrane keys, it outperforms similar keyboards in responsiveness and longevity. Navigate effortlessly. Use your keyboard's up or down arrows to move between items with precision. Designed for gamers and professionals alike, the Apex 5 features dynamic RGB lighting, customizable keys, and a sleek, durable build. Whether you're in arts, crafts and sewing, or automotive parts and accessories, this keyboard delivers unmatched performance. Upgrade your setup with a tool built for speed, style, and reliability, only from SteelSeries. Number 1. PIXIU 98 Tri-Mode Gaming Keyboard with Knob. Elevate your gaming setup with the PIXIU 98 Tri-Mode Gaming Keyboard with Knob, designed for precision, speed, and style. Unlike similar keyboards, it offers seamless tri-mode connectivity, wired, 2.4 GHz, Bluetooth, ensuring lag-free performance across devices. The tactile knob provides instant control over volume, lighting, and macros, giving you a competitive edge. With hot-swappable switches and vibrant RGB backlighting, customization is limitless. Use your keyboard's up or down arrows to navigate settings effortlessly. Built for gamers who demand more, the PIXIU 98 blends durability with cutting-edge tech. Select your department: beauty and personal care, industrial and scientific, or tools and home improvement, and discover why PIXIU stands out. Upgrade your play. Thanks for watching. Check the links in description to find these products on Amazon.